Hey guys, LJ from Redemption Airsoft here. What you're looking at right now is my new pistol, the WE 4.3 baby high cat, not baby, 4.3 1911. It takes single stack mags. Basically, I'm having a little problem with the fill valve. I'm using the real triggers of sand. It'll focus in on that. Oh, see in there, the focus. Nah, it doesn't seem to want to focus. Oh, anyway, basically the O-ring and the fill valve kept popping out, so obviously it's dry, and then I tried to fill up the mag. I just got my propane adapter in. So I tried to fill up the mag, and the gas was just spurting out everywhere, and the mag was leaking. So I forgot, a while back I saw a thing to put the O-ring in silicone, and it'll expand. Like, it'll absorb all the silicone and expand the O-ring itself, and that should help. But once it focuses, you'll be able to see in there. Nope. Focus a little bit closer. Come on. I'm trying to get this to focus. Yeah. There we go. Come on, you're almost there. There we go. Alright. See the O-ring in there. Yeah. Oh. God damn it. Let it refocus. Alright. Done is Now I have to let it refocus. God damn it. So you see the O-ring in there. That keeps shooting out when I fill up the mag. As you can tell, it kind of looks like the valve itself is a little actually broken. It looks like bent. See that? So I just some silicone around the whole O-ring area for it to expand. You know, I'm gonna put a little bit more in. Show you what I did. Just want to make sure this is well lubricated and whatnot. Basically, that's all I did. It's a bitch to do one-handed. And then just set that sanding straight up in the trigger hole in 1911, and I'm hoping that the O-ring will expand and I'll be able to shoot this later on tonight. Not tonight, but later today. I might just sit there all day. Alright, this video is dragging on, so I'm just gonna go. Any questions about what I did, just write in the comments below. And yeah, I hope this helped if you're having your gas leak out really bad. Thanks for watching. See you next time. It's LJ from Redemption Airsoft.